teman ya di kamsa jai mong.
Teman ko pa mian eh. Yang hana hab mudu ya wa mele sungi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino memang ah. Abang alim tak lah post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hadim bola dek banpli ke reverse buyers and sellers min arajar pun rio. Umid rang ba ke jelau kontrak ke sangma. Ulalit banjungo iki stall ke bagi Nongseng kam ki priang bagi penipat ba ye ki mar ki mata bagi lawan rak. Hadi gani kalau dan sekejungnya keren Markhmat hapading Nongseng kam bagi nong Markhmat jogi Kompeni berper-per ki buana kiri berper-per. Punya keren penbet kumnu men penya yo ye ki mar jongki shabar kiri India. Bahati kejungnya keren hapading jongki kalabyang kia soy sega sekolah bikin sedang kejungnya dia tiad hapading jongki. Bantip Kompeni Shapangani kejungnya Kynduh kinong dia bagi nong tiad ngilayo banyak keren bagi laingut ke ofisar jongka Directorate of Commerce and Industries jongka sorkar jela. Hakejungnya keren berusaha sen das ulayat hu bakani gede kejungnya Kynduh ke compare hak bagi nong dia kimdon kamban len sikinong tiad hendak kinong tiad ki wan dala dehi banpet yaki mar jongki bat ladaki mon kinshim penya yo yaki shabar. Ulayat hu bamenta kasngi kidan chispa ru pratli stall haga diga meet ke bamenta. Ngilayo ekran ru baru Abhishek Thakur bula benrap shu ban batai Shapangani ga meet bag ngilayo ekran ru baru ba ML1 shnong bula batai benya Shapang logo jong ka mega rise.
Reverse buyer seller meet is one of the intervention under Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAM program, which is sponsored by Ministry of MSME and co-sponsored by World Bank. So Commerce and Industries Department Meghalaya has been implementing this scheme since 2023, and reverse buyer seller meet is quite different from normal trade fair exhibitions. Here the sellers don't go to the buyers, rather the buyers from international countries or domestic or international buyers come to the sellers to see their products, assess the quality and place orders. So a reverse buyer seller meet is a unique initiative. It's one of its kind of initiative in entire Northeast, which is being piloted in Meghalaya today. And we are very happy that like foreign buyers from 28 countries have landed up in Meghalaya. The countries include South Africa, New Zealand, Australia, Bahrain, Turkey, and Kenya, Uganda. So they are Nepal. So they are all here, and they are and we have curated those buyers. We have categorically brought them here with match to the sectors where Meghalaya is have more dominance. So we have more than 300 sailors out here in participating in this reverse buyer seller meet, and all the events include we have, as you can see, we have put up 128 stalls across this state convention center, and they have displayed their unique products ranging from handicraft, handloom, wood carving, aromatic products, spices, honey, and other jewelries and other products. And tomorrow it will be open for sale. Apart from these stalls, they have also demonstrating live. There is honey extraction and production, handloom and handicraft, cane and bamboo handicraft, wood carving, and handloom products also. Then in one hall, we are having B2B meetings, business to business meeting, where the buyers from foreign countries are interacting with the sellers of our countries. So through that B2B meeting, they are getting to know each other's products and demand. So eventually, based on the quality of our state product, they will be placing the demand, they'll be placing their requirement, and we'll be signing a formal MOU with the foreign buyers to take it further. Actually, we have been constantly striving under this RAM program to provide market access to our in-house, our state sellers in different ways. So recently, we have also signed MOU with Amazon. So through digital also and physical also, all kind of market access we are trying to provide to our sellers, because the sellers of Meghalaya are mostly dominant on the local market, and which has limited their revenue realization scope. So in order to realize the more revenue and gain more profit, they must look beyond Meghalaya. So they must look into the domestic as well as international market. So while the local digital marketing and local exhibitions and fairs and these things are providing them unique opportunity to sell their products in a domestic or local market, this kind of reverse buyer seller meet is also helping them to gain momentum into the international market also. And you will be surprised to know that from 1 month or 2 months back, the sellers were not aware of the export requirements. But through the continuous effort put up by Commerce and Industries Department, we have given a lot of awareness program to the sellers, and they have what are the standard requirement to get export ready. So all our sellers are now registered under import export code, GST, then Udyam, and if they are selling some kind of food product, they also have to have a central FSI also. So with these 4 basic requirements, they have now come prepared to participate in the RBSM. So what happened that they have now exposed to export, and they have exposed to export documentation requirement. So tomorrow they will not move back, they will not fear the export requirement. After this RBSM, this event is not over yet. We'll be having another event also very shortly in September. So this will prepare our sellers to have for the export requirement to sell their products in outside the state.
So that means the sellers from Meghalaya, they have been trained for this event today to meet the buyers from outside the country.
Sir, the preparation has started 3 or 4 months back. So we have signed an MOU with Federation of Indian Export Organization, one of the organizations which is mastered into this promoting the export in India. So they have pioneered promoting this export to different countries, bringing buyers from different countries, and facilitating all kind of documentation and other compliance requirements across the country to help the export to get promoted. So FIO is our partner in this whole endeavor, and they have come there. We have signed an MOU with FIO, and they have helped us in creating awareness among the buyer sellers. What are the export documentation requirement? So formal awareness program were conducted in Shillong as well as Tura to cater to here into Khasi and Jaintiar Hills, and there to Garo Hills region. And also we have conducted virtual training sessions also, so that the sellers can participate and get information on what are the export related requirements. Eventually, FIO also helped us them in getting registered into those documents. So within a short span of time, through the help of our DCIC, FIO and Directorate, we have got our sellers ready with all the documentary compliances. Sir, Commerce and Industry Department is very much aligned with the national, like the state mandate and the vision of increasing our GDP by 2032. So CM has a this broad vision of increasing our GDP up to by 2030 to 20 billion. So we are very much aligned with that. So and it's like Directorate is also saying the promote to take the sellers into different kind of market avenues, providing varied market avenues and provide to augment their income by providing them better market access. So apart from that, we are also like building their capacity. We through Scabat Tech, one of the organization which is we have partnered with, they are helping our sellers to get better packaging also, better branding, better packaging. We have also coming up with a innovation research center within our directorate to help the handicraft and handloom sector with better packaging and better innovation and designs. RAM scheme is up to 2027 March. It was a four years project, but if ministry is happy with the performance of the state, if it is extended beyond that, then we will continue. Otherwise, it will till 2027 March.
So Megharise is a brand, unified brand, which comes under one of the intervention of ramp raising and accelerating MSME performance. So this will give a unified brand to the different kind of products, varied products of Meghalaya, and it will also help in designing, packaging and digital marketing. And recently under Megharise only, we have signed an MOU with Amazon so that we can onboard our sellers, our MSMEs into Amazon platform, so that they can have a larger market access, market linkage, and they can sell their products outside Meghalaya states.
And what is this SLM?
SLM portal is a short form. It's called State Level MSME Portal. So it's a unified portal of MSME, and which will be under Department of Commerce and Industries, where it's a one-stop portal where MSME can come and know their different schemes where they can apply, and they can apply from there for different Government of India, Government of Meghalaya schemes. They can on what is their eligibility criterias, how they can avail different benefits, different subsidies, grants, loans, whatever is coming on their way for MSMEs. They can also research about what are the different prospect an entrepreneur can look out to grow their businesses. So everything will be under one platform, and it will also give you an analysis that one MSME is getting different benefit and other MSME is not getting some benefits. So we will analyze the entire database, and then we can proceed with what entrepreneur should get, how many benefits, and we can uniform those benefits throughout the MSMEs of Meghalaya.
By day baru Megharise logo, pi haman ki products, the people yakin nugi MSME products naki big products, udon bay logo la new brand. To kumta kain kumjuro ki different department po kastit jongi batshabar ro, te ki don la lag jongi logo mo ki department ro. Te nagaliang jongi kumga commerce industry ro ni sngo ba kini ki MSME jongi bagi de shabar kimdan u standard uniform logo mo. Te gede lalag jong te ke bai ki ban penya yo khamtam de ki le ki e-commerce and ki online platform ki dan kam bandar ni to te halor kata ka concept te langba ka ni ka racing and exerting MSME performance scheme gi yo ko boy ka component kumno ba man brand ke ni ki product MSME te halor kata ngi dong kam yo logo te halor ka ni ka logo ka state government jong ka notify ya ka committee ka bakhot ka state logo designing committee. Haba hagani ka logo Commissioner Secretary Commerce Industry Sudev Sharman, Director jong Commerce Industry Sudev Member Secretary, kumjuro ngidon ki expert mo ki member expert na po National Institute of Fashion Technology, Director jong ka NIF, kumjuro na ka Office jong Development Commissioner Handicraft, Ministry of Textile Salong, but kumjuro na ka Ministry of MSME kadong ka branch office Salong, kini gede ki expert member. Te after thorough of mo ki process ki danbar khoi kuma live fundai ngot ki participant mo ki expert ki ba participate in ka design logo competition. Te ki dan a series of competition mo ki procedures kawai na procedure kumot ki habanai presentation. Te hadin ar lai round jong kata ngila poi in the conclusion ba ka final selection kumot iyo iba Mario Patao, Mario Pascal Mangyang. Te ini ba Mario Pascal Mangyang menerui dan lang ni te apor ba lunch minister ya kenika megarize logo. Te ngan chuain diat efi ke background diat udah parado prasnam jangi kasi na te ladap ya ka master degree naga moha ka designing naga Industrial Development Center Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. Te currently pada ile ya ka PhD mo ile PhD haka designing. Kemudian suang diat taman cu mo kejing tip berkhoi ini bo ijo iba Mario Pascal Mangyang ila job ro bon ki logo design commission jang Assam government. Te ya ka currently ya ka Assam police ro yomi haba 24 logos are there with Assam police and all the 24 logos ro ibak me. Te ki bon ki logo ro ilala. Te nakalyang department ro ngi kitbok kerwang bada kejing plan ni ke deciding but bon ba ki technical inputs concept mo ki badan hataw logo kumno ba ki lai tali ki jai mreu khasi jaintia bagaro but kumno ka livelihood ni ke carry a lot of meaning umde logo bususna kumto mo te ni expect kain ba da jing penokam jong new logo mo ngin ai ya per khoi ki MSME free of course ye ki MSME jongga state ngi mikle kumno ban penya yo sebar kain but da ko use yung new logo mo ba carry much of meaning kain te kan yarap sibun kain man promote pan carry ahead kain mo mangitip yung logo ulong very important man kamtam ki state lagi MSME ki hapan siyo yo government logo te ngi tam ya mentai support ngin ailat he berkhoi make news properly but ngin skan ga jo report ngin bodin ni ke MSME not ban misutilize yo te tangini
Thank you.